Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're giving you just a final look before we get our decking on. We just had our inspection, our framing inspection, and inspector was out here, and I wish I could have got it on video, but his comment is, my God, this is one of the best built decks I've ever seen. I wish other builders would do things the way you guys have done it. So, one very substantial and beefy hardware. These are all wet set buckets, hot dip galvanized. You can see all the through bolting that's in here. Very heavy timbers. Rim joist is 6 by 10. This whole piece out here. You can see the connections at the ledger. We use these big bearing washers that are back there, and the other piece here, which he instantly came out and he goes, finally somebody doing it correctly. This is all the Z flashing that we put in. It goes up underneath the siding, comes out, comes down, so you never get water. It gets back behind the ledger board, and while it's not part of code or required, it's the right way to do it. You spend all this money on the deck, and if you come over here, you can see the extensive amount of hardware, all these connectors that are in here, joist hangers, all these hurricane clips. And over here, I'm going to show you a little detail. This is the blocking that we put in. This is 4x6 blocking, all locked in with engineered screws and all these connectors. So when we put our post in for our deck, it's into solid material, and that's all custom blocking that we put in there. You can see it. You can see all this added hardware we put in the front here, these hurricane connectors, very substantial kickers that tie the post to the beam for lateral stability. In this deck here, we've got a grade beam, so besides 18 to 20 foot deep piers, we're on a hillside, the piers are all locked together with a grade beam. Then you see the grade beam tied back into the foundation of the house, 1, 2, 3 points. So there's a ton of concrete, ton of steel, and there's 6 18 to 20 foot deep piers that are part of this deck project. And we're going to be putting in our Trex composite decking in here. This is also another interesting detail. The deck is supporting the roof load, and we put our oversized buckets up top to carry the load from the beams that are carrying the roof load. Let's see if there's anything else we can point out to you. That's about it. And there's Alex and Fernando doing a phenomenal job down there. These guys are pros at what they do here, and we just do far superior work to these types of projects compared to most other companies out there. I get to say that because we see the quality of work that's done on an average type of deck project and other construction projects, and we go above and beyond in the details, quality of our work, and the way we do things as if it were pretty much our own house. Okay, so this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We also put in these retaining walls that you're looking at down here as part of the project. Okay, so this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. You can check us out at bayareacontractor.com, and that's our website, and the company's Golden Gate Enterprises. You can Google us. You'll see hundreds of projects that we've done all around the Bay Area over the years. Thank you.